Hello students, I am Anwant, your subject teacher of specialization in geography. The first paper is GG331 Fundamentals of Human Geography. Today we are going to learn the first topic, Introduction to Human Geography. Okay. Here, the firstly we are going to investigate the definitions of the human geography, which is preferred by the various human geographer. Among them, the first important human geographer is Frederick Radsell. According to him, the human geography is the synthetic study of relationship between human societies and earth surface. Here means the Frederick Radsell focus upon the two important words: synthetic study of relationship between human society and earth surface. Means here the Frederick Radsell is focused upon the relationship between the human societies and earth surface. Means there is an interrelationship between the human beings and earth surfaces has been investigated in human geography. The second one definition is given by the Allen sample. According to Allen sample, human geography is a study of the changing relationship between the unresting man and the unstable earth. Very interesting part has been investigated by the Allen sample. According to her, the changing relationship between the unresting man and the unstable earth. As we know, the human beings is a very active things which is represent on our earth surface. He never stable. And there are many different types of the human features has been created by the human beings. So here use the word alien sample, the unresting man, and the unstable earth. Means this earth is not stable. This is we know the our earth's nature is dynamic from geological time scale to up to 8. There are various types of the changes has been made. That's important things has been highlighted by the alien sample, the relationship between the unresting man and the unstable earth. He has been investigated into the human geography. The third definition has been given by the great human geographer who is belong from the France, Paul Vidal de Lablache. He is a human geographer, and according to him, the conception resulting from a more synthetic knowledge of the physical laws governing our earth and of the relation between the living beings which is inhabited. Means he also focused upon the physical laws and its effect upon the human beings. Mostly the living beings. In that the human is a most important agent of the, or who is a promoter of the living beings, who is responsible for the different types of the changes in on our earth surfaces. These are the three important definitions. First, red cell, then second is given by the Allen sample, and another one is given by the Paul Vidal de Lablache. After that, we are going to move towards the nature of human geography. Human geography studies the interrelationship between the physical environment and socio-cultural environment created by the human beings. What is the nature of human geography means actually which part is related to this human geography. In that, as we know, the where human geography studies the interrelationship between the physical environment. As we know, which is a physical environment, the physical environment like as our sunshine, air, then soil. These are the physical environment, and socio-cultural environment which is created by the human beings, which is a socio-cultural environment like as we can get the example of languages, religions, then another things like as settlements, then road. The concern with the road things is the transportations, and then trades. These are the things. This is a cultural environment which is created by the human beings. This is a very interesting study, is investigated by the human beings. Then the nature of human geography is interdisciplinary and integrative. Most important words here use interdisciplinary. Human geography's nature is to interrelated with the other subjects like as physics. Whenever physics is going to investigate the composition of the galaxy, the information of the galaxy, then black holes, such are things are related to the geography. And this is the interrelationship between the physics and geography. Like as there are many uh, subjects like as industrial geography, then political geography, then settlement geography. There are many things which are the part of the our human geography. Means if we study the Indo-China border conflicts, that time we are study the political science, and political geography is a prime branch of the human geography. So the human geography's nature is interdisciplinary and integrative, same as. Then geography look at the earth surface from two different but interrelated perspectives known as systematic and regional. Here, these two words are most important: systematic and regional. Means geography's nature is a systematic. Whenever we are going to start the investigation related with the one things which is being the part of our earth, like as we if we get the example of forest, okay, if we get an example of any particular the trees like as bamboo, okay, whenever we get the example of that bamboo, that time we start the systematic study of this bamboo, like as the this trees is belong from which type of the categories, in which type of the environments, in such type of the system, in which region they mostly observe evidently. Then regional, in which region such type of the geographical things has been observed. Then this is also one important nature of the human geography is it study the locational and distributional aspect of cultural phenomena is resulting from ever-changing human nature interaction. Human geography is study the locational and distributional aspects of cultural phenomena. As we know, in the world there are so many cultural has been developed. European culture, Eastern culture, then oh, this culture has been derived from the different religion and the languages. Now, it study the locational and distributional. If we get the example like as a Western culture, that time we should focus upon the location. Where location is the most important here. Then, geography is a study of the earth as a home of humans. The geography is it's the most important nature of the human geography is earth surface is a home of humans, and these humans are the created the specific types of the culture upon this earth surface. Then the nature of human geography is scientific. As we know, in human geography there are several types of models, then theories has been developed. That's why this subject's nature is becoming a scientific, like as there are many statistical methods, there are the different types of the models like as Chrysler, then Weber's model is there, then August Law's model is there. Such type of the models is being the part of this subject, so it's becoming a scientific nature. Then dynamic natures mean this subject is never stable. Nowadays in human geography there is a most important things is included, and this is a ArcGIS. So in before we just focused upon the in the human geography the race, then human evolution, and many things related with the human beings, which is created the road transportation systems, and they means they, whereas the human beings is created different types of the features, and this study is being part of the human geography. But nowadays, apart from that, the human geography is totally changed, means now the this human geography is being the part of the pure science, like as ArcGIS is a most important things which is becoming that the this subject is dynamic, but complex. As we know, the human being is a very complex. Okay, everyone's nature is too complex, so the human geography's nature also becoming a too complex. Means in any particular region we can found the same languages, some culture, but there are found the different religions. These are the too much complexity is being the part of human geography. Then comprehensive. As we know, the human being is a versatile. mm Human being is a versatile types of the his in nature, and his is in activity. So the this nature of the human geography is a comprehensive. Comprehensive means a too vast. Then the nature of human geography is empirical. Empirical means it's totally based upon the his own empirical things. Like as we can get the example of Vasco da Gama. Okay, he came from the western part of Europe to India, and whatever he's seen his journey, he write down. So human geography is empirical. Then human geography's nature is deductive. In deductive methods, here we are goes from general things to particular things. Same as its nature, once again the inductive is the opposite from deductive. Particular thing to general things. This is a nature of our human geography. It has two branches. This human geography have the two branches. First is systematic geography and another one is a regional geography. As we know, the systematic geography means what? Systematic geography means the, if we get the example of sugarcane, And after this sugarcanes investigation, whenever we start this sugarcanes or the sugars investigations, we are start our study from the sugarcane. Then in which type of soil is required for the sugarcane, which type of climate is required, then which type of the irrigation system or the irrigation, then fertilizers, then what is uh, resources is available in these areas, is there the factory is established in this area, then transportation cost of this raw material. This all means there is only one thing is sugar, but whenever we are going to investigate the sugar, we start the systematic study of this all things from sugarcane to labor, then factories and all things. And another is branch is a regional geography. Okay. The geography is a subject which is totally based upon the specific regions. Okay, means like as if we get the example of in our Maharashtra, Marathwada region is there, Konkan region is there, then Vidarbha is there. Such type of the regions which has been demarcated by the nature and also human beings. Human geography is a branch of systematic geography. Okay, means this is a human geography is a important branch of the geography, and this human geography is a branch of systematic geography.